Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study SOP3 for Tally ERP9 for Standard 12 Commerce section. So in this SOP3, first we are going to create a company, then we are going to create a ledgers for our transactions and some inventory details, and then finally we are going to pass the voucher entries. So let's start with the Tally. So we will be going in Tally. Come under the education mode, then shut the company and start with the creation of the company. So create company MS Swastik Garment Suppliers. Address is MG Road, Industrial. This is MG Industrial Estate. All the details are given in the question. You have to add exactly the same. Aurangabad, Maharashtra. India, state is Maharashtra. Pin code is 431001. Email ID is info@swastikgarments.com. Website is www.swastikgarments.com. The financial year is very important. So according to the question, the financial year begins from 2017 April. So we have to put all the details exactly the same way which is given in the question. Enter, 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 and yes, we have accepted and we have created the company. After creation of the company, come under the features F11, which is on the right corner of the right panel. So accounting features, you have to check maintain accounts only should be no, and integrate accounts and inventory should be yes. So the same things has to be kept. Control A. Come under the inventory features, integrate accounts and inventory yes. Control A. Statutory and taxation, you have to give the GST related details. So enable goods and services tax yes. Then we have to alter the GST to put the GST details. So Maharashtra state will be Maharashtra regular. Then this is 1st April 2017. GST TIN number is already given inside the question, so you will be putting exactly same V1 Z2. So this TIN number is very important. So we need to enter it whatever is given in the question. Then it is monthly. Rest all remains the same. This will be 1st for 2017. Control A. Control A. Come out of this. Escape. Now you have to go in the configuration setting. Here you all are going to set all the voucher entry related configurations. So we have to skip the date field during the creation for faster entry. It should be no. We want to enter the dates because every transaction has to have the date, which is very important. Use single entry mode for payment receipt contra vouchers. It should be no. So we have to understand that we want double entry mode. So we don't want single entry mode. So it should be no. Use debit and credit instead of to and by yes, because we don't want, this is not, we are not doing it in the notebook. So in the tally we want it in the debit and credit format. Then all allow expenses, fixed assets and purchase vouchers should be marked as yes. Rest all remains the same. Control A. So these all setting has to be done. After done, now we are going to create the ledger entries. So let's see the question. Now, our first transaction says that July 2017, company has purchased 150 pieces of t-shirt at rupees 450 per piece with GST 12% from MS Jalaram Textiles. Now, the transaction has taken place in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So we have to create three ledgers here: purchased, purchase ledger, MS Jalaram Textile, and IGST, because the transaction has been carried out outside the state, which is interstate. So integrated GST will be applicable. In second transaction says that you have to create a sales ledger, because we have sold t-shirt at rupees 600 per piece at 12% GST to MS Dressline Garments, Shirdi, Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. Now this is in the same state, so we are going to create CGST, SGST, sales account, and also the MS Dressline Garments. So in total, we are going to create the 7 ledgers. So let's start from tally. Under the gateway of tally, we'll go in the accounts info, ledgers. Under the single ledgers, we are going to create the first ledger for MS Jalaram Textiles. Then it will be sundry creditors, since we have purchased goods from them. We don't want bill by bill balance, so it will be no. Inventory values affected, it will be yes. Then this is MS Jalaram Textiles. Then it is in the state, so 105 sector B. The address should be the same whatever is given in the question. Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So comma Gujarat, and this country is India, state is Gujarat, and pin code is 382010. So rest all remains the same, no other details are given, so we are not entering anything. Control A. Next will be inter purchase account. Under the purchase accounts, inventory values are affected, yes. Is GST applicable? Applicable. Set and alter GST details, no. We are not going to set anything, because we are not giving any details here, because every transaction has different GST related information. So just keep it no. Type of supply, goods. Rest all remains the same. Yes. Next we have sales account. Under sales account, so this will be sales account. Inventory values affected, yes. Is GST applicable? Yes. Set and alter GST, no. Type of services, goods. Rest all remains the same. We have to also create a MS dress align garments. Now it will be, we have sold goods to them, so it will be sundry debtors. This will be maintained. Balances bill by bill, no. Inventory values are affected, obviously it is yes. Then the address for the same will be Shirdi, Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. It is in the same state, India, Maharashtra. Pin code is 423107. No other details are mentioned, so we are just keeping everything same. Control A. Next, we will be creating CGST account. It will be coming under duties and taxes. Here we are giving GST. This is CGST, comes under central tax. Don't give any other information. Percentage calculation will be directly calculated, so no need to give anything here. Control A. And then we are creating SGST account, duties and taxes, GST. This will be state tax. Rest all remains the same. Control A. Then IGST account under duties and taxes. This will be GST. No, this will be integrated tax. We are not giving any percentage. Rest all remains the same. Control A. So in total we have created the 7 ledgers. Now it is time for us to give inventory details. So let's start. We'll come out under the gateway of tally. We are coming in inventory info. Enter. We are first going to create a group. So stock groups create. So the t-shirt will come under garments. So garments group. Next it is primary. We are not giving any other information here. So yes. Come out. We have to give units of measure for the items. So create. Since there are t-shirt, so it will be in the pieces. This is pieces. This is pieces. And control A. Accept. Then it is stock items. So we have already created the group. So let's start stock item. This is t-shirts. This will come under garments. Units of measure will be pieces. GST is applicable. Rest all we are not giving any other. Oh yeah, here we are supposed to give the details. So I'll say yes. Set and alter GST, yes. Now here you have to give the description. First it is t-shirts, and then we have to give the HSN SAC number. Now this is a unique code which is given to all the products, so we have to get it from the net. It is optional if you all are having, if you want to add or not. I have found out, so I will write it for the t-shirt, that is 61091000. So this is the code which is given for the t-shirt. Then calculation type is okay, leave it like this. On value, taxability, it is taxable always, and integrated GST it is mentioned, so we are going to give 12%. That's it. Now in case you cannot see this dialog box, then you all have to go in the F12 configuration, and you have to allow HS and SAC details as yes, then only you can see that dialog box. Otherwise you will not get this option only for HSN and SAC. So you can add this if you want. If you say it no, the option will be disappeared and there will be no such field there. So you can do the needful. And with this we are going to just save it with Control A. This is yes. Goods, this remains the same. GST details are very important in the stock items. Please mention all the details here itself. So it is very important here. So this is Control A. Now we are coming out. We have created the stock items, all inventory related details. Now we are going to pass the voucher entries. Accounting vouchers will come in gateway of tally. Accounting vouchers. First we'll go and change the date, that is 1st July 2017. Here we are going to add a date 2017. Party's name is Jalaram Textiles. Enter the details as it is. Enter purchase account under purchase ledger. Name of the item is t-shirts. Amount is 150 for 450 per piece. Amount will be automatically calculated. Then we are going to enter IGST account. This will be as it is. We are going to accept everything and yes. So we have executed the first transaction for purchase. Now in our second transaction, it says on 2nd July 2017, 100 t-shirts were sold for 600 per piece with GST 12% to MS Dress Align Garments, Shirdi. So we are going to now go under the sales. This is on 2nd July. So we are going to enter the date 2nd July 2017. Party's name is MS Dress Align. Enter the details as it is. No change. Sales ledger. Now here we are going to enter the item. This is t-shirts. 150. This is 100. In the next, we have sold 100 pieces to for 600 per piece. So automatically the amount will be calculated. Now you have to just come enter. If you will directly add CGST and SGST, it will not be calculated. In this transaction, the transaction was carried out within the state. So we are going to apply CGST and SGST and automatically it will be calculated. This will be yes. Rest all remains the same. No changes. Accepted. So we have executed 2 transactions. Now we are supposed to create the reports. So we want GST computation report and sales tax invoice report. So we will come out from this, so escape. Under the gateway of tally display, we will go under the statutory reports, GST annual computation. Here we are going to check the period. This is 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2018. Okay. And we are going to export it. Change the path. First, the format I want is the same. So backspace. This all remains the same. Now here I want to change it to the folder. I want to save it in the folder which I have created. So I have created tally outputs folder. So I will be saving all my reports in this folder. So I will be giving this path. So C colon slash users slash HP slash desktop slash tally outputs. You have to give the exactly the same path where you have saved the folder. Otherwise, there will be a problem in saving. That's it. This is the first GST computation. So I will be giving the name of the file GST computation. Rest all remains the same. Yes. Next we have sales invoice. So we'll come out of this. Again in the gateway of tally display menu, day book. Here you cannot see any transaction because the period is only 1st April 2017. So go in period and change the period. So 1st April 2017 from and to 1st April 2018. And yes, you can see all the transaction between this period. So I want sale invoice. I'll click here, enter. I'll export it. And then again same, I'm going to change the format to PDF format. I don't want in XML format. C colon slash users slash HP slash desktop slash sales invoice. And this will be, sorry, this is C users. The name I have given the name of the file. Here you have to give the folder name where I want to save. This is tally outputs. Sales invoice. This is sales invoice. Now we will check the folder. Folder is having both the reports. So this is the way we are going to save the final outputs in the necessary folder. And this is it about SOP3. I hope you all have understood this SOP3. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.